So I just want to talk briefly. Frank and I had a conversation about how we think about learning and what makes us different at the Wright Robinson Institute. So we see learning as an innate extension of us. It's this thing that's based on curiosity that just drives us, this sort of natural born, almost like an instinct to understand, make sense of, and add meaning to our experience. And it's been going on for ages and ages, but that's what we really see as the fundamental urge that takes learning to that new place, is people's own desire to learn, to really engage in the process and to be part of it. And so we want to co-create with people around what that means in terms of learning. And we really stand in this place of believing that there is nothing for you to learn, that everything is inside of you, that the learning is just for the fun of it. It's for the bringing it into your being. It's for the engagement. It's for like every reason that we do everything we do. It's just for the experience of it and the fun of it. So at the Wright Robinson Institute, we decided to make 3 things key importance in any course or offering that we put out to the world. And those 3 things are experience, integrate, create. So experience, again, words don't teach, experience teaches, and we all know that. So we see learning as this living process where you're living in the world, having that experience, making sense of it, and at times there's some information that comes in that stimulates you to a new thought or a new idea and takes you to a new place. So it's really the interplay of the remembering of all that you know, of really sinking into your own alignment, and just the fun of sometimes having that information come from something outside of you, even though it's just a reflection of what you have inside of you, because it could be no other way. So we want the learning to be that sort of experience where you feel alive, and it's this living process where you just feel lit up from the inside out, and you're so excited, and it's like boom, boom, boom. You just get resonance after resonance after resonance as you come into that full knowing inside of you. And the other piece, so the next one was integrate. And integrate is how we have a tendency to discover a philosophy, like something like the law of attraction or all the teachings that sort of surround that body of work, and it just resonates. I mean, you get goosebumps viscerally in your beingness and your physicality and every aspect of you. You just know, like it resonates so deeply, but at the same time, it still lives in this sort of ethereal kind of space up here where it's this wonderful philosophy, but you're not exactly sure to take it into the physicality of who you are, into the day-to-day minutia of your life. And so that's of key importance. It seems that lots and lots of people get this and understand it from a philosophical level, but there's a miscommunication when it comes into how to put it into your life. And so we want to make sure that every course we offer really helps you to integrate it into your being, so that you have tools and skills and techniques and processes, all that will be fun and playful, to take you to that integrative place with yourself, so that it can become a way of being for you, which then leads perfectly to the next step, which is create, because it's when you experience it and come to that deep knowing, integrate it into your beingness and begin to live it, that you tune into the vibration that enables you to create it. And we all know that really, when you think about turning a thought to a thing, it's about matching the vibration of the thing that you want. And we also know that it's about the journey on the way. The thing is the fun for the time that you get the thing, but it's really the becoming of it. It's the seeing how every single thing I wanted lined up to bring me this thing that I knew I was going to love in the moment. And that's the juicy part of it. So we want to infuse every course we offer with those 3 philosophies and really bring it to life. And the other thing is, we really understand that we're always becoming, and just like you're always becoming, we're always becoming. So we recognize that for everybody, any course we offer, any interaction, whether it's a retreat or some personal coaching, will always be this living process, because every person is in a different place with themselves, in a different place of awakening to who they really are, to the life they want, has different preferences, different desires. And so we want to stand as the reflection of you, meeting where you are and really honoring where you want to go. And so even though it might look like a course is just a course and it's the same, each person's individual experience of the course has to be different. It can be no other way. I mean, it's like reading a book, and 10, 100, 1,000, a million people could read the same sentence and interpret it differently, because of where they are approaching it and the perspective that they're holding. So we really want to see our courses as living and breathing and sort of infusing themselves into you and sort of matching you where you are to take you to the place that you want to go.